In the heart of Rochester, Minnesota, a small family shop that opened its doors in 2000 has grown into a trusted name in auto repair. What began as one bay and one mechanic has become a full-service center with a team of technicians dedicated to keeping the community moving. Built on family values, hard work, and a strong partnership with NAPA, Joe's Auto and Tire serves not only neighbors and local families, but also the staff and patients of the world-renowned Mayo Clinic. From a one-bay garage to a cornerstone of service, reliability, and care in the Rochester community.
We started in 2000, just a small one-person shop. Joe had always been, my brother had always been in the automotive industry, was a mechanic, started his own shop, I worked for him. We just started small, continued to grow and grow and grow, and now we're into a full service auto repair, 11 bays, 9 technicians, and we've been serving the community for 25 years now. You know, I think a lot of people try to avoid working with family. I think there's a lot of conflicts there. Joe and I get along very well. There's, of course, times when we don't see eye to eye on things, but you know, for the most part, it's very, very good. We really haven't had any issues. It's nice to know that the other person that's involved you can trust because they're family. It's not just some random person off the street or, you know, a buddy of yours that you don't know what they're really going to do. I would be more of the general manager here, not a mechanic, although I will help the technicians if they need help. You know, just kind of oversee the day-to-day operations, make sure parts are here, make sure jobs are getting done. We've had a great relationship with NAPA throughout the years. They get stuff here in a timely manner. The parts quality is great. If we do ever have to have a warranted item, the warranty process is very simple. Payouts are very quick. We can't really ask for much more than what we're already getting. With where we're at in Rochester and having a major world clinic here, we are dealing with kind of the same clientele as you would in a big city. So lots of retail workers, lots of medical workers. So it's our day-to-day is primarily just consumer vehicles. A lot of fleets in town, so we'll work on a lot of fleet vehicles as well. Not so much on the agricultural vehicles or, you know, recreational vehicles, boats and side-by-sides and things like that, although we do get a few of them in here. We work on a lot of the Mayo Clinic vehicles. A lot of their patients get referred to us if something happens, you know, while they're coming to Mayo. If they have car repair issues, a lot of recommendations come to bring the vehicle to us. We're close to them and we have a good reputation. It makes you feel good that you're helping out with, whether it's a patient that, you know, is having some sort of medical issue and they just, you know, want to get back home, we can get them back on the road, or, you know, keeping the staff's vehicles up and running so that they can get to work to perform these procedures and whatnot on these medical patients, and then working on the actual clinic vehicles so that they can transport what they need to transport. It makes you feel good that you can kind of help out, keep them moving, you know, a little small part of it, but you can help out with their operation. It does make you feel good. We joined NAPA Auto Care from the get-go. So as soon as we opened, we were NAPA Auto Care. The name recognition, it's hard to not take that when you're a new business starting out and you need customers. Oh, it's great. I mean, everybody knows NAPA. You know, nobody outside of this area knows Joe's Auto. So, you know, if you see the NAPA, it drives people in here, and then you get to meet us, and hopefully we can win you over too. So NAPA does offer training, which we do take advantage of some of that. You know, they also offer some marketing and whatnot, so we can, you know, send out flyers, or, you know, we can send out different things to market to our customers. You know, there's also always, you know, some sort of consumer rebate. So, I mean, these are all things that drive business to our shop. You know, so the customer can come in, give a coupon, they get a discount, we get a customer. It works out well. It's been a good relationship. Well, they should expect to be greeted when they come in the door. They should expect to have excellent service, excellent repair. a full nationwide warranty if needed. And then they should expect that same exact experience the next time they come in and the next time. That's just what we do for our customers. We treat them all with respect, and we do quality work, quality repairs. I enjoy, providing for for our staff, giving them jobs, good wages, they can support their family. It feels good knowing that you're supporting their city. You're fixing cars for people in your city, and that allows them to do whatever they need to do. It just feels good at the end of the day that you've accomplished, fixing somebody's car, putting money in my staff's pocket. Just makes you feel good knowing that you're helping out in the economy.